Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 7, the last day of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series for the month of February 2023. Today I'm starting with a page map sketch, and I didn't put a number on it. Let me do that. I'm going to start with this one down here in the bottom corner. So I have pulled in all of the things that I think I might use. I have pulled in some from this container, some from this container, something from here, and some stuff from here. So I have all these products to get used, and I'm going to show you. I have pulled them into a little embellishment bowl. I went ahead and pulled those paper pieces that came from the original kit that inspired me. I pulled in chipboard hearts. I pulled in a couple of those flare pieces, the round pieces, and then I have pulled in some wood veneer. These are the Felicity Jane sequin mix. I don't think I've used them this go around yet. I want to use it maybe once. And then these I don't think I've used. These are just the green basil mini brads, and I want to use some of those this go around. Photo wise, it calls for 4 photos, and so that's where I'm starting. Paper wise, I have a whole conglomeration of stuff. I have 3 full sheets. The blue sheet of cardstock. This is the green with the floral print on the back. I think I had like 2, almost 3 pieces of that, plus some scraps. I think I ordered a ton of that, and then didn't want to use it. I hoarded it. I was ready to use it this go around, and I think I've used it on nearly every layout. Anywho, I've pulled this one in. It's a really pretty pattern. It's on the back side of that super bright pink and red, but I'm going to use it for this side. And then these are just scraps. This is an old Close to My Heart scrap, and then I have pink and I have orange. So I'm going to see what I can combine with those colors. As far as embellishments go, other embellishments and stickers, these belong in the little embellishment bowl, but I want you to see I'm finally finishing off this sheet of acrylic pieces. Pocket page cards, I have 4 small ones and 1 large one. I have a couple of label sheets. I want to use that final one there. I have the 2 sticker sheets that came with the original collection. I have washi tapes that I plan to use, washi strips. And then I want to try and use this alphabet. If I have enough to make the title that I'm thinking, I'm not sure at this point. I haven't plotted it out. But if I don't have enough here, then I will probably go to that chipboard one, this one. But I'm not 100% certain yet. This is Thicker's Little Charmer, Little Adventurer. So those have been in my stash for a long time. This is where I'm starting. I'm going to show you a close-up of just the sketch alone. You can pause it. You can save it for later. You can go over to Pagemaps site. It's from February 2023. But this is what I'm starting with. I'll show you the close-up, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 7 for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. The products that I did not use were these brads. The heads of them were just a little too big for where I wanted to place them. Also this alphabet set, it just didn't have enough P's in it for my title. I did pull in these Close to My Heart brads, and I have just a little bit left of blue and green. I used a little more of those. These are all the background papers and photo borders and cut down pieces, banner strips, or not banner strips, border strips. That's everything I have left. Yes, it is a handful of scraps, but I used a ton of paper. These are the pocket page cards that the 3 small ones I cut apart, or 3 of the small ones I cut apart. Washi strips, I did use the orange, multicolor orange and yellow, ombre, splatter, whatever you want to call it. Well, no, I just used one. I used the one off this one. I had enough to do what I needed to do with it. Those last 2 acrylic pieces, there's the carrier sheet. It's done. They finally got used up. I've had those things forever. I used a couple labels. I used the last one from here and then the one from here that matched it, so that feels good. Another label sheet done. These stickers I used, is it this one? Yes, this sticker here. Nothing off this other sheet, but I did use one from here. These are the two alphabets that I used. I used this larger one for one word and then the smaller one for the other word, and here is the layout that I created. I did pull in these border strips. Those were cut off strips from another previous layout or layouts, I don't know, but anywho, I had those left over and so I used them here. One of the pocket page cards cut here. This one with the pink was a pocket page card that I used my punch. This one, and I think this, oh, this one's Fiskars and Leah Griffith Enchant. Anywho, it was a scallop circle, so I used one here and here. I cut this bird from one of the pocket pages. So there's 1, 2, 3 pocket pages, and here's the fourth one here. I used the 4x6 one here in the background. I wanted that doily on the big card to be a little bit bolder than what it felt like it ended up being, but that's okay. I covered up, I don't know what the phrase was here, but I covered it up with this sticker. I used a couple of flares. I used the pieces from my embellishment pack that came with the kit. I used some hearts, some wood veneer, the 2 titles, the acrylic pieces with the washi behind them, and the washi I just put on a white sheet of cardstock, a little scrap of cardstock. Once I got the acrylic pieces glued down, then I just fussy cut around them. It was pretty easy, went together, and because that was such a mixed up feel paper, there was no solid pattern to it. I'm sure there probably was, but I didn't see it. Anywho, I just stacked them on, tore it in half and stacked them on each other, and was able to fit both of those out of that one sticker from there. Anyway, my labels are back here, and you can see I used the Boulder cardstock to border my photos, the pink and then the orange. This is that close to my heart paper. Yeah, and then my journaling on there I did with my Sharpie pen. This Sharpie pen, it seems like I'm doing all my puppy layouts, especially with these bright vivid green colors in there. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to have close-up photos at the end of the video. If you are interested in seeing those, stick around for that. Yeah. This one's not my favorite, but it's also not my least favorite. I don't know. I need to look at it a little bit more and see if I need to add anything or take anything away. I'm just not content with it, but I'm going to have close-up photos regardless at the end of the video. So if I change anything, I'll show you on the wrap-up of the month. Anyway, friends, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.